Are you looking for the best electric guitars? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best electric guitars on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Fender American Ultra Stratocaster. The Fender American Ultra Stratocaster takes the flagship design of one of the world's top manufacturers and outfits it with a double-tap humbucking bridge pickup along with noiseless single coils at the neck and mid positions. Taking the Stratocaster to a new level, improving on the classic Stratocaster design, is a tall order, but one that Fender has followed through with. Introducing the Fender American Ultra Stratocaster HSS, Fender's high-performance ultra-modern incarnation of the Stratocaster. It carries several improvements such as noiseless pickups, a 10-inch of 14 compound radius fretboard, and S1 switching that takes the Strat to a new level. This isn't your classic Strat by any means. Don't worry though, this Strat still gives you all the spank and sparkle you can ask for. Just plug into your favorite amp and you'll immediately hear the difference. The whole instrument has been thought out and designed in painstaking detail, all the way down to the embossed Fender headstock logo and extra comfortable trem arm. To truly experience everything that Fender offers, there's only one instrument to choose: the Fender American Ultra Stratocaster HSS, upgraded noiseless pickups. Number 2. Fender American Professional 2 Telecaster. The Tele has been in continuous production for over 70 years, and the Fender American Professional 2 Telecaster is a modern incarnation of this classic model. Notable features include a redesigned bridge and V-Mod 2 single-coil pickups. The finest American Professional Telecaster yet. Fender's American Professional series produced some of the most popular instruments at gear nuts among working musicians and discerning amateurs. Now, with the American Professional 2 series, Fender has upped the ante, outfitting the formidable line with a slew of player-centric upgrades. The Fender American Professional 2 Telecaster features Tim Shaw's latest V-Mod Tele single coils, which deliver familiar tele-twang with enhanced clarity and focus. To provide an exceptional playing experience, the American Professional 2 Telecaster boasts a deep seat profile neck with a satin finish and a contoured heel joint. A Tele is a must-have in any guitar collection, and they don't get much finer than the Fender American Professional 2 Telecaster, the new standard for professional instruments after the wild success of the original American Professional Stratocaster. Fender's team of designers dedicated themselves to improving on the design. The resulting instrument, the American Professional. Number 3. Epiphone Casino Archtop Hollowbody Electric Guitar. As heard on countless recordings from rock, to indie, to jazz, the Epiphone Casino is a timeless and reliable model that is surprisingly versatile in tone. It has a fully hollow body with a mahogany neck, and its archtop construction feels comfortable when played. Timeless 6-string electric guitar famous for its sparkling sound heard on classic tunes made by bands like the Beatles. Vintage sunburst finish. Guitars are hand-painted and there will be variances between individual guitars in color. Thin-line full hollow construction, twin P90 pickups, and streamlined neck. Made with a select maple body and top with F-holes, trapeze tailpiece, mahogany neck. Limited lifetime warranty. Laminate maple body. Dog ear P90 classic pickups. Rosewood fretboard. Maple top, 24.75 scale. Number 4. ESP Ltd EC1000 Evertune Electric Guitar. If you get tired of having to retune your instrument all the time, you'll appreciate the Evertune bridge system on the ESP Ltd EC1000, which does a great job of maintaining string tension throughout a long set or practice session. Designed to offer the tone, feel, looks, and quality that professional musicians need, while still being affordable. The Evertune bridge system delivers constant tension that keeps your guitar in tune. Enjoy near perfect intonation up and down the neck under almost any condition. Features a great-looking quilted maple top and set-through construction with a mahogany body and maple cap. Also features 3 PC. Mahogany neck and 24-fret Macassar ebony fingerboard in multiply body/neck/headstock binding. Gets its excellent tone from Seymour Duncan JB/Jazz passive pickups. Number 5. Ibanez RG470 AHM Standard 6-string electric guitar. With its easy-access sculpted cutaways and double-locking bridge, The Ibanez RG Standard is capable of performing swooping dive bombs and screeching harmonics, without experiencing tuning issues mid-set. Its swamp ash top and maple neck really look the part as well. Features: the Ibanez RG470 AHM is a 6-string electric guitar. Ideal for: it is ideal for right-handed use. Wizard 3 maple neck. Ibanez RG470 AHM has a thin, flat and fast wizard neck that is strong and sturdy. Pickups. The Quantum pickups provide an accelerated bass response for exceptionally fast tracking of high-speed staccato riffing with crushing mid-range and precise high-end articulation. Maple fretboard. The maple fretboard provide crisp, bright highs and strong upper mids.